In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an away message in Meta Business Suite. This quick setup helps you manage expectations and keep conversations warm when you can't reply right away. We'll walk through where to find the setting, how to write a clear message, and how to make sure it triggers at the right times. First, open a web browser and go to business.facebook.com. Log into the account that has access to your business assets. If you manage multiple pages, make sure you're in the correct business and the correct Facebook page before you continue, because automations are set per page. Once you've selected your Facebook page, go to the left-hand menu and click Inbox. This is where messages from Facebook and Instagram flow into one place. At the top of the inbox, look for the automation section and open it. Automations let you set rules that respond to people consistently, even when you're busy. Find the away message option and select it. This is different from instant reply or frequently asked questions. The away message only fires when you're marked as unavailable or outside your scheduled hours. Turn it on using the toggle so you can edit the settings. Now write your message. Keep it friendly and clear. A good away message typically includes a thank you, a note that you're currently away, and an estimated response time. You can also guide people to helpful resources like your website or help center for common questions. Keep it short enough to read at a glance and use the same tone your brand uses elsewhere. Next, set your schedule or availability hours. You can align this with your normal business hours so messages go out automatically outside those times. Double check the time zone and adjust any days you're closed or have different hours. If you prefer to use away mode only during certain periods, set a custom schedule to match those needs. The schedule is what tells Meta Business Suite when you're unavailable. Choose where this away message should be used. You can enable it for Messenger, Instagram, or both. Pick the channels that your audience uses so they receive a consistent experience across platforms. When you're satisfied with your message and timing, click Save. You should now see the away message listed as active with your settings applied. From here on, the away message will send automatically whenever you're unavailable according to the schedule you set, helping customers know when to expect a reply and reducing follow-up pressure on your team.